how to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
In just 2 minutes, turn yellow teeth to brill white. Teeth whitening at home. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy. It's turn your yellow teeth to brill white teeth in just 5 minutes. First, we need to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and also 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. I use Colgate toothpaste, and finally 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Then, put all the ingredients in a bowl of boiling water and mix it very well. Once the ingredients turn to a thick cream, we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. And mix it very well. Once the ingredients combine each other, tap in your toothbrush. In this remedy and brush your teeth for 5 minutes. You will see your yellow teeth turn to white teeth. Oh, I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.